Okay, we just unhooked this two-prong outlet here. It's a non-polarized one, and it's only a 10 amp rating. And there's the older wires in the box there. It's the old BX wire there. And we'll have to splice onto them here. Good, good. This outlet, the wires are really, really short behind this one.
That's why I buy it on plastic pieces,
Yeah,
that I can flip it in there.
right.
Then I cut myself a little snubby, and put it in there, I wear it to the plug.
Oh, okay, that's what I'm doing here. I'm putting on a pigtail.
It's a fold out for it.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, it's my tablet. I'm taking a picture of it, how to do this to put on YouTube.
See, but them other things, the plastic pieces, you plug them right in, and do it right in there.
Oh, I'll plug them in the back?
Yeah,
Oh, I don't like those back wired ones because
so they're guaranteed for life.
the back wired ones, the one I just took apart was wired through the back, and it didn't hold.
You just push in.
Oh, okay, they just came apart. That wasn't a very good connection in there. Now, I'm putting this on my YouTube. Do you mind if your voice is on YouTube or not? Okay, so I'll put it on. Okay, so this one's a real short one. Okay, can you hold this flashlight for me for a minute so I get this? Just right down there. Okay, I'm gonna take a pigtail. Get that the white one in the way it should be. And this is gonna be the live one. Now you just line them up even there. When you're working with really short pieces of wire, it's harder, isn't it? Okay, make sure it's in there good. Okay. So I'm gonna put the white one up here, black one down here. I don't like the push-in connections on the back because the one I just took apart, that was a push-in connection feeding to the other outlet in the other room there.
Yep.
And that wire worked its way out of the hole in the back, and then it stopped working because it just wasn't making connection. Now, Kevin LaPlante, I did some painting and I didn't do painting for him, I wired a stove for him. Does Kevin still live over in Vernon?
I don't know. That's probably some kind of family relations or something.
Go around the screw, close it the direction that the screw turns. I took this other clamp out of the box to give me more room in there. You don't need this extra thing in there when you're not going to be using it. So that gives you more room in the box. I'm saving this outlet because it's a oldie. It's only a 10 amp rated one. They don't make those anymore. And it's a non-polarized one too. And the way I found my hot wire is using my tester on the two to the grounded box because it's a BX cable grounding the box. That other outlet works, by the way, under the window. I just had to get another screw for it that's a little bit bigger. Do you have any pointy screws that are like a little bit thicker than these?